Hey guys, Chief Williams Unfiltered with a follow-up video. A few weeks ago I bought this garment travel bag by Crosspack off of Amazon. It was $34.99. It's a convertible garment bag. It turns into a carry-on duffel bag or shoulder bag. It has a compartment for shoes. It'll hold a 45-inch long men's suit, as well as room for toiletries. It has pockets in it for ID and extra batteries for your cell phone. So I took it on a trip with me. I have some video of me at the airport. This is when I actually loaded it on the overhead bin. There's plenty of room. Fits well. It was very comfortable. So I left a tag on just for the sake of this video. Crosspack, Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. Again, it was $34.99. It has several zippers. It looks like fabric, but it's some type of synthetic material, water resistant. The clips on the sides keep the zippers together on each side as it rolls into the shape of a duffel bag from a garment bag. You can see the zippers work pretty well with one hand. I'm operating the camera with my other hand. And there was plenty of room for all my gear. I had a pair of shoes, a suit, as you can see, my headphones. I had my laptop, a weekend's worth of socks. I also had another check bag that I took with me. LSU, Go Tigers. I was actually in Baton Rouge for this trip for a family reunion. Brand new shirt in the bag, extra cleaning cloth, my Ray-Bans. It's a very, very useful bag. I could have fit a lot more gear in there. My other Seiko watch, and you can fit just about anything you need for a weekend trip. In fact, the next trip I'm going to take, I'm just going to use one bag instead of two, because you can put your toiletries, as long as your toiletries are under the TSA limits, which is another video if you haven't seen that video. Here are my white Cole Haans, and I put all these different stickers on my laptop from different places I've been around the world. You can see the pockets to put various things, and the hooks from the hangers just hang in the closet in the hotel. I think this is a great garment bag. I told you guys how difficult it was to even find a garment bag to keep the suit close to being pressed. I still had to put some heat on it with the iron before I went to church. But I recommend this Crosspack bag to anybody that needs to travel. Chief Williams, please like, share, subscribe. I'm out.